The LEGO Monkey Kid, Monkey Kid's Team Secret HQ 8013 Building Kit, is a highly engaging set with 1,959 pieces that offer a challenging and rewarding building experience. This set is packed with a variety of cool features, including a detailed living area, a workshop, a posable mech, and a toy crane, which can be used to grab the bull-clone stud-shooting assault boat. The set also includes 7 minifigures with weapons, plus Sandy and Mo the cat figures, allowing kids to role-play exciting adventures inspired by the Amazon Kids Plus original series LEGO Monkie Kid. In addition to physical features, this set provides an interactive digital experience with Instructions Plus, available in the free LEGO Life app, enabling children to visualize their build. The LEGO Monkey Kid's Team Secret HQ is not only fun, but also educational, as it is inspired by Monkey King tales from the classic Journey to the West novel and rooted in China's culture and values, helping children develop their creativity, bravery, and resilience. When not in use, the Team Secret HQ, which measures over 15 inches high, 16 inches long, and 9 inches wide in boat mode, makes an eye-catching display item in any child's bedroom.